Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on numeric keypad on screen keyboard in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, we want to turn on numeric keypad on screen keyboard in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So very easy. Firstly, click on start, type here on screen keyboard. After click on screen keyboard. After click on options and here option third, turn on numeric keypad. So check this box. After click on OK. That's so guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on numeric keypad on screen keyboard in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.